Asus Vivobook Go 15 supports fast charging, allowing you to charge the battery up to 60% in just 49 minutes. Get up and running faster than ever. Designed with the help of audio experts from Dirac, a professional audio solution provider. The audio system delivers the most immersive, clear, and balanced sound experience you've ever heard on a PC, laptop, or tablet. It creates a soundscape that's wider and deeper than you could ever imagine, unleashing the full audio potential of your laptop. Model name, E1504GA-BQ483. Memory 8GB, storage 512GB, SSD graphics Intel UHD graphics.